So hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change font color in Apple Notes. So to do this is pretty simple. So here we are in our Apple Notes. As you can see right here we have our test note. So to do this is pretty simple. So right here we want to change this to another color. So right click it and then you'll find font right here. From font you'll want to go to show colors and it will reveal another tab right here. So here we can select our color in the color wheel, or you can go with the grayscale slider, or even the default colors that are just preset right here in colors. So you can do shades right here and use your spectrum and many much more. So I want to go with my color wheel, let's say, and let's do this. So right now it's there you go, and once we select this again it'll change color. So there you go. So there's also another shortcut to this. It's called Shift Command C, and there you go. So here we want to change this Shift Command C. Let's change it to color blue, and there we go. And that's all. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.